Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, uthando nesithembu. Not necessarily uthando nesithembu, izingane zesithembu. Okay, not izingane zesithembu, asithini uVuyokazi. uVuyokazi was celebrating her daughter's birthday. Okay, asikho lapho. Other families bakamseleku did wish the baby a happy birthday, right? Umseleku wished umntwana a happy birthday as well, umusa. Also ubabakhe, okay? Usibindi captioned happy birthday ndodakazi, not posting the pictures uVuyokazi as postile of the 5th birthday, posting an old picture with umhlophekazi, right? But the dad, being umusa mseleku, posted a picture enoVuyokazi phakathi and the kids, right? And he captioned it, my grandmother Gogo Flo and my mother Joyce are rejoicing in heaven from Mhlophekazi and Zulu yemfihlakalo. Njani? So uFlo uya rejoice nje now for uVuyokazi. I think that's what he's saying ultimately. But nonetheless, Mhlophekazi had a beautiful birthday. We thank Umusa for wishing, but we know ukuthi Umusa never fails. Umusa will make a way or make it a point to say happy birthday. Ali shoni nje Umusa mseleku angenzanga into right. Also Nosibindi made a nice happy birthday, but it would have been nice if he posted the child on her 5th birthday. Now the question begs, why did he not attend the birthday? Why was he not there? Did he not contribute or what was happening? But ibirthday kaMhlophekazi was beautiful. uVuyokazi ensured, if it was her alone, to say ibirthday yomntana is on top, ibirthday yomntwana is on flick. The theme was pink, right? I loved how the first picture that she posted was of herself and her 2 kids, right? And the pink that Unzulu is wearing, the pink that Mhlophekazi is wearing, like bebabahle from top to bottom, like the theme, the deco, everything was on point. uVuyokazi, guys, Vuyokazi was proper. Vuyokazi was a fame. Vuyokazi was 100% on fire. I also loved the picture where Vuyokazi had posted herself nomhlophekazi high-fiving, hugging each other out, like you could see even the walk into the party. I think ukuthi tang tang tarang tang tang tarang was done by mother and daughter, and it was so beautiful. So but now my question is, on top of all those pictures, uVuyokazi posted the son and uLokhunja umhlophekazi bawu-2, but azange ayithathe umusa mseleku. No, he took the one enoVuyokazi phakathi. Ngithi awunkosi bamenzani mara-ke uTirelo, bamenzani labantu abakhohlakele, bamenzani? But we know umusa must write umusa and statements. But also, guys, the deco was beautiful. It was as if nje angazi. Hey, it was like it really resembled that one of a princess, and the theme was Barbie. They had a beautiful Barbie cake. Like I properly enjoyed watching pictures while the 5th birthday, because we're gonna popcorn bar, like everything was proper. Now I'm asking myself ukuthi njengoba uVuyokazi aphuma all out kanje, uVuyokazi sekayasebenza na? Like, is girl now employed? What's happening? Or was she employed all along? It's just that we did not know, because when we saw her most of the time, it was on Uthando Nesithembu, and Ugo was always available to shoot. I don't know. You tell me. But she captioned it like this. She asked for Barbie with heart emojis. I said, say no more, mtanam, with a blushing emoji and an emotional emoji. Like uthe nje ngifuna iBarbie, umama khe oVuyokazi wathi ngizoyenza show off wena girl, ngizobonisa abantu ukuthi yazini umntanami is a princess and she deserves princess treatment, and she will get princess treatment, and she got princess treatment. She continued to say, "Happy 5th birthday to my beautiful daughter." And guys, umhlophekazi is extremely beautiful. Like bahle abantwana bakavuyokazi, like yo, yeah, abantwana bakavuyokazi bahle. And she said, "We had an amazing Barbie themed party. Thanks to the incredible decor by ethi simpromote sinazo Tikanampomane." Yay, yane. Hey, yeah, inzima the pronunciation, but ke usinazo girl on a Instagram page, and on her Instagram page there are pictures of the work that she does. And from at Mabillions Deco Company also that was tagged, and Mabillions Deco Company also has the party theme la Mabillions picture party kamhlophekazi we included on their wall. Just go see her work. She does not have a lot of followers, but her work is very, 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 very beautiful. She continued to say, "You truly outdid yourselves. Thank you so much." And they really did. "I'm so proud of myself for pulling this off." Kushobani Uvuyokazi manje. She's proud of herself for pulling this party off, and I'm proud of her for making sure ukuthi umhlophekazi gets the theme and party that she wanted. "I couldn't have done it without God's guidance and strength." Hayi bazalwane, bana umuntu oyazi uNkulunkulu nazo ke. "Thanks to everyone who celebrated with us." And then emotional emoji with your tears, I get, and then your heart, and said hashtag blessed, hashtag Barbie party. Now it means ukuthi though whoever was there azange afuna ukubanema one by one, because perhaps if bekabanebe one by one besizoza nokuthi aboshiba sibafakile isandla kwayenzakalani. But guys, why do you think we did not see the family Kamseleku on the pictures? Were they not aware of the party? Were they not invited? Or it's an issue of distance and they were able maybe to send some gifts or some money to say cover our child and tell her ukuthi this is from us, considering ukuthi wena uhlala kude. Furthermore, ubaba khona wayanga, because I know ukuthi izingane zesithembu is coming, but I think and I believe ukuthi by now they are already done shooting, because most of the time they shoot the whole content prior to it playing. So I don't know what you guys think, but I did not see them on the pictures. I just went to those pictures more than once. I zoomed, I did not see anyone. There are elders that were posted on the video that Ugo had posted, right? Ugo posted a video after the pictures, but I did not see Abantu Bagamseleku. I could be wrong. If you have seen anybody, ubone ba. But happy birthday to Umhlophekazi. May the good Lord guide you. May you continue to grow as a beautiful, loving, bubbly girl. Siguthanda nyan. This is your girl, the Disabled D. Please do like, share, and subscribe. I love you. Peace. Bye.